Hello and welcome everyone to this new YouTube video. I'm Ananya Shankar and I welcome you all. So today in this video I'll be telling you all about my fear of economics. I hated economics, but because of no background in economics. In school I had humanities subjects, but I had not taken economics. In front of, economics, I took political science as my subject. But in college, because as I am an integrated law student, so I have economics as my BA subject because I have taken BA LLB. And some of the topics which are there, such as stock and flow, balance of payments, and goals of macroeconomic policy, all these things fascinate me a lot because I have got a professor who's very interesting. In our macroeconomic classes, he tells us to read newspaper in a better way, and he tells us to see that everywhere in this world there is economics. Because recently I have watched Beer Biceps podcast with Rajiv Sanyal, who is the economic advisor to our prime minister, and I thought that whatever happens in the country happens with respect to the economics. And in economics there are various concepts such as poverty, growth and development, unemployment, inequalities, everything we have. Because of these topics we can understand a variety of concepts which are related to development of a country. Okay. And these topics are also present in one book that I have recently got. This is Vajiram and Ravi's Indian economy book, which is really interesting because it has a lot of concepts such as public finance, private finance, types of taxes, fiscal deficit, everything is there. And because of I am relating variety of topics, major topics which come in newspaper daily with my studying material, then I can relate. And if I relate, then this subject becomes interesting for me. Earlier I thought that this subject was very hard with lots of mathematics and calculations, but I was wrong because there are tables, there are many things, but they relate to a particular phenomena, such as economic policies, free trade, protection, international institutions such as IMF, World Bank, etc. So all these things made me to believe that yeah, this subject is not so much boring as I thought earlier, and this can be a great prospect for us to learn. Because in advocacy also we can get few cases which can be related to economics, and we will solve it if we understand economics as a subject, and we will have a better perspective towards that particular case if we study economics. So this was today's short and crisp video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you subscribe the channel, check out my podcast and my book. All the links are in the description. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.